Hello, my name is Helen Alvarez, and today I am going to teach you how to make an easy chocolate skillet cake. Add to it 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and beat for 15 seconds. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of whole flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a bit of salt, and finally 2 tablespoons of warm water and beat everything for 20 seconds. Finally, we grease the pan of preheat it. Place the dough in the pan. Lower the heat at cook in 4 minutes. Turn it over to finish cook for 2 minutes. Finish, let it cool. Decorate in whipped cream, cold milk sauce, and chocolate chips. Well, let's taste it. It's very tasty. Bye!